Clean the wax off of an apple. Start by boiling a pot of water. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar as an optional method to break down the wax on your apples. Drop each one by one into the pot, but don't leave them in the pot any longer than 10 seconds. We don't want to risk actually cooking our apples. Once that 10 seconds is up, pull each apple out of that pot, and then using a coarse, clean towel, wipe as much of the wax off as you possibly can. This buffing method does most of the work for you. See? Wax and no wax. Next, as a more thorough option, you can take a lemon, slice it in half, and then dip it in dry baking soda. Then use that lemon to scrub the outside skin of your apple. The baking soda and the acidity work together to work through the rest of that wax. A quick dunk in my leftover boiling water, and then one more soak with clean water to get any of that extra baking soda or vinegar off generally does the trick. The last thing we're going to do is dry these apples thoroughly. A nice dry skin will allow your caramel and candy to coat the apple thoroughly. And there you go.